Hello guys, today I'm going to open the Queenkit box and show you what we got in the Queenkit. Welcome to the coding world. And the first thing is the guidebook. Colorful pictures inside and show you what to do with our Queenkits. And this is the instruction card. And here we are, the blocks. The green one are inputs and the orange one are outputs, and this blue one, the logic block, and of course the battery. Let's go on. On the bottom of the box we can see a lot of other stuffs like this extension cable, the USB cable, connect the Queen block with the computer, and the power cable. This is the logo board, and this the double-sided tape, and this one the servo. And finally, here we are, the model card. You can use these cards to make guitar, a swing door, or even a DJ Hero box. And that's all. Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to use Queenkit. Here we got all of the Queenkit blocks. There is battery, the cable, the power block, and 3 green block, the input block, and 1 blue block, the logic block, and 2 orange block, the output block. And next I'm going to show you the correct connection and the wrong connection. To make the connection right, you have to put the power block, connect the power block with the green one, the input block, and then the output block. That's the simplest, one in and one out. If you want to make it complicated, we add 1 logic block. A logic block was put in between the output block and the input block. If you try to put the output block in front of the logic block, that's wrong. That is deadly wrong. Or you put the output in front of the input, that's wrong connection either. So make your connection right. This is the right connection, and we can add the other output block. So that's the 1 in and 2 outs. Blocks have different interface. The concave side, input interface, and the other side is the converge side. It is the output interface. And when you want to connect with different blocks, you just put the converge side into the concave side, just like this. And let's turn on the power. As you can see, the graphic blocks, the blue lights go up, and when I move it to the left, the light go down. Yeah, that's how it works.